Happy Thursday, y'all. You know what that means. It is Thredup Thursday, and we will be doing a Thredup Rescue Box unboxing. Today, we are going to open a fun box that I got with the free shipping code recently, but I have an extra little bonus because I have some friend mail to open. This is so exciting. I think this is my first friend mail, so let's do it. This is from Jamie over at AKA The Bag Lady. If you are not familiar with her channel, definitely check it out, subscribe. She is obviously also a reseller, but she has a great channel, does unboxings once a week, thrift hauls, whatnot hauls, which I think have been really cool. And mainly she's just a really good person and hilarious. I'm always smiling and usually laughing out loud. Especially when Frankie, her dog, is in the video too. Because he can be a little naughty and so can my dog, so I get it. Anyways, I got a package from her, so I'm going to open that and we'll see what she sent. Oh, look how cute this is. She put her card there, so it's got like her Posh closet on there, Instagram and YouTube. I love that. I need to get some cards. Oh, and look how cute that is. See? She's right there, and there's Frankie. Frankie, you're famous. All right, Jamie, you're so sweet to send me something. I love it. Okay, so we've got a headband, and I think Jamie got this in a recent fun box, and I love headbands, and I actually meant to put one on before I filmed, so we're going to put this on. I love that. Looking cute. And then she had gotten this Henry Bendel bracelet in one of her recent fun boxes, which is an amazing find. And I wanted to purchase it from her, but she's so sweet. And I love Henry Bendel. I collect it. She said no, and she just sent it to me. So Jamie, you're so kind. I appreciate it so much. I absolutely love it. I'm going to put it on. Gosh, look how cute I am. I'm all dressed up now for my video. Thank you, Jamie. And again, if any of you all haven't checked out her channel or aren't subscribed, make sure to go over and do that because she's awesome. Okay, let's get into the fun box. Oh, one more thing before we get into the fun box. One of my subscribers asked in my last video, which I posted on Tuesday. It was a Thredup mixed jewelry box unboxing. If you haven't watched that, I will link that up there. Oh, and by the way, I'll put Jamie's channel down in the description so that you can click over and check out her channel. I opened a jewelry box and I was talking about how I collect different charms, and the way that it kind of got started for me was when I was a kid. My parents started a little jewelry tag, and she asked to see it, and so I pulled it out of my jewelry box. This is what I had when I was a little girl. And this unlatches like that, and you can put different charms on it. And this was like really special to me as a child. It's got a heart with an arrow through it. It has got a whistle, which, by the way, does work. Ask me how I know. And then it's got a little bell. I'm sure my mom was like thrilled that I was picking all the things that make noises. And then this little cameo. So that was my little charm necklace when I was a kid. I absolutely love it. I keep it in my jewelry box, and I don't really wear it very much. I'm there's some wear to the pieces, and I'm just trying to protect it, but I wanted to bring that on and show you guys. So that kind of started my love for charm bracelets, all that kind of stuff. So okay, let's get into the unboxing, the whole reason you guys are here. And this is one that I ordered. This one's coming to us from Swanee, Georgia. And I ordered this when Thredup did their free code on the rescue boxes for the free shipping. So I ordered this on September 25th. And this is the fun box. You are guaranteed 10 miscellaneous items. And we will see what we got. And this one has writing on it, on the purple sticker. The purple sticker means fun box. I don't know what S3 means. Hopefully it means best box we've got. Okay, there's the top, sealed with stickers. just going to see if I could save the tissue, but doesn't look like it, not this time. All right. Ooh. Okay, so the other thing is, Kristen D opened a fun box, I think the same day that I ordered mine, and hers was kind of color themed, like purples and blues, and mine also looks to be color themed. Okay, so it looks like we've got like some black and beige going on. So the first item is a matte face mask, and this is a new day. Yeah, just a reusable face mask. It does have a price on the bottom of $3. So typically, if it's like a designer face mask or a more expensive one, I will list it. And then if that one sells, one of these that maybe isn't as expensive, I include as a free gift. So that's typically what I do with those. Okay, we have a little pouch, which is exciting. Looks like there might be a couple items in here. And by the way, we were talking about Jamie over at AKA The Bag Lady. Her fun box a couple weeks ago was literally the best, gotta be the best fun box I've ever seen. She got this Henry Bendel, which by the way, already makes the box a winner, but she also got a Bottega Veneta bag. So like amazing. Anyway, so check that video out when you go to her channel. Here's a pair of sunglasses. They are black with kind of a gold tone frame. I don't see a maker on these. There is a number right here, but I don't see like a brand or anything. So probably just a pair of fashion sunglasses, but they look like they're in good condition. Next in the little baggie, we have a pair of Sace hoops. They are new on card. Someone cut the price out of the corner. So we got some new hoops there. All right. Oh my gosh, so exciting. All right. We have a belt. Let's see what the tag says. This is a size small. It does say Target. Man-made materials. But I'm going to say, I mean, new with tag. Nobody took these tags off. And it's got the like double buckle here. So like that. Okay, I'm going to give you another little pink since I took a couple items off. Let's go for the Coach. That's exciting. Look at this. We have a little Coach wristlet, which I have gotten some Coach wristlets in the fun boxes before. This says Coach Poppy, and it says Coach like in many different fonts on here, established 1941. I'll put that up close so you can see it. And then it's got the different Coach print on it. There's a little bit of wear to the hang tag there. Let's unzip. The insides are really pretty, kind of Tiffany blue, and it's nice and clean. So this is actually in really good shape, and actually that might not be wear to the hang tag, it might be a staining, so I might be able to clean that off. So this one's actually in better shape than most of the wristlets I've gotten, so I'm thrilled about that. We have another item, a bra. This one did have a tag on here, but it's missing. This is Gilligan O'Malley. Gilligan and O'Malley Intimates. I'm not familiar. Size 34B. I'll show you all the tag. And you've got, I'll have to look it up. I'm not familiar with this one. You got a black like lace overlay, probably like a push-up bra with a beige background. Okay, and then next we have like a little mini backpack. It is missing the pull right here and right here. So whatever pull was on here just certainly came right off. So let's see, let's open it. There's nothing in that pocket. It feels like there's stuffing in here. So let's see if there's any sort of branding or if it's just a fashion backpack. It is stuffed. I have never had Thredup stuff a bag before. I'm just saying. Unless the person who was sending this in stuffed it with Thredup tissue. I don't know. Okay, this is Forever 21, which I do have a Forever 21 backpack purse already in my closet that hasn't sold. So, I don't know. We'll see what I do with this one because it does have some damage on it. So, it's cute though. All right, another little pink. So there are some items under the backpack, and then we'll have to count everything. Looks like we've got a scarf, which, by the way, with the free shipping, I did order another scarf box for those of you that watched these collab. So hopefully I get some good stuff in that. I've sold 2 or 3 of the scarves that were in that box, so definitely made a profit. This one is Van Heusen. It is new with the tag. It was sold at Kohl's, and the price on this one was $36. Van Heusen mini gingham, and it says black gray. So let's see. It's very soft, very soft. I was going to see what it was made. Viscose. Okay. So that's great. And we'll list that for sure. And then we've got some air pockets here, and then a couple items here. Let's pull. Oh, there's something in the air pockets. I think Kristen got this in her box. This like exact same activewear. She did. It's a new with tags kind of activewear stretchy headband. Interesting. We both got the, I think hers might have even been the same print. The same item. All the air pockets. Okay, we got 2 more items. We have a pair of like leopard print slippers. They are new with tags. They say gold toe, which is that a brand of socks, I think. Anyway, these say leopard in a size small. The MSRP on these was $18. They're very, very soft. Slippers tend to do well. Okay, so I didn't realize what the last item was on the bottom of the box. Look, it's like a jewelry box. I hope it's got something good inside. Oh my gosh, this is so, I'm getting very excited. Okay, uh-oh, can I open it? Here we go. Okay. Ooh, look, y'all. We have like a set of pearls. And earrings. Okay. Oh, and a bracelet. Okay. So, I'm going to assume this is new with the tags because the earrings are still in the bottom. And then you've got this is the bracelet here, and it's intertwined kind of with the necklace. I am not familiar with Michael Liu. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, I will probably take these out to test them, or maybe I can look it up to verify. Look what that says, y'all. 14 karat gold. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see. These feel like real pearls. They do feel real to me. Again, I should be able to look it up. I'm taking this bracelet off. Here we go. You can see real closely. I think from my jewelry friends that usually it would be marked on here. Yes. So it's marked here on the inside of the clasp. See right there, 14K. So how exciting. I will definitely look this up. But what a great fun box. I need the fun boxes to stay good because they're one of my favorites. And I certainly have gotten some that haven't been very good. So if Jamie's is any indication, I was going to see if I saw a price under here. There's a security tag. If Jamie's is any indication of, you know, them getting better, and then this one's really good, especially with this. Again, I'll look this up and comp it out. I will put that on the screen if I can find any information before I post the video about these pearls. So no price on here, but I will look it up and find out. So let's count the items. We got the pearl set for one. scarf for 2, slippers for 3, backpack purse for 4, bra for 5. Let's see if I can actually count them this time. Coach for 6. Let's see, the headband for 7, the belt for 8, the mask for 9, and then these were in the pouch together. So typically Thredup, when they put stuff in like a pouch like this together, they'll count this as 1. But 2 items in this pouch. So technically we got 11 items. They're really counting this little bundle as 10. Very happy, like I said, with this box. The Coach wristlet, big winner. And honestly, I love the slippers and the scarf. I will be listing those for the upcoming season. I'll have to look up the bra. I'm not sure about it. And definitely those pearls. Y'all, this was a great fun box. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you ordered a fun box on the free shipping day and if you've opened it and how it compares. All right, I will see you guys next week for some more unboxings and another rescue box recap. Bye, y'all.